Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be talking about 7 things to start your online course about. Well, there's 7 topics in which you can start your online course about. As I said before, my name is Esther. I'm your favorite girl here. I talk about all things wealth creation, entrepreneurship, health, and life improvement. So don't touch that dial. Please don't go anywhere else. Watch video to the end and stay glued to this topic. I'm going to be talking about online course creation. So what are the 7 topics which you can create a profitable online course about? And the first one that you can create your course about is stress management. Yes, stress management is a very important topic at the moment because a lot of people are going through stress because of the cost of living crisis. The Google search on this top keyword is 74,000 Google searches every month. So a lot of people are looking for information to help them about their life stresses. So you can do your online course about stress management, and also a good health niche as well, stress management. The next one is about creativity. Creativity is another one which you can do your online course about. Things like creativity boosters, importance of creativity, and creativity skills is another one. It's not as popular as the other one I mentioned before, but it's another niche course idea. The next one is also about your pets. Yeah, your pets. A lot of people want to have a pet. We have just recently acquired a new hamster, so I'm looking for information about hamster care, and you can do your online course about how to look after a dog, how to look after a hamster, how to look after a cat, how and things like that. How to groom your cat like a pro. These are another niche about your pets. Next one is about travel. Travel is very hot at the moment as well. A lot of people looking for travel information out there because now we've been let loose. Yeah, we can now fly. And then so you can talk about travel. You can do your how to travel, how to get a cheap flight and get paid to travel, and Euro tourist. These are other topics we can consider about. The next one is about music, how to learn an instrument, what instrument to learn, how to play, and things like that. And that is a very huge niche. Is play a musical instrument, because this is since we were locked down, they now want to know more about playing an instrument. Another one is about self-defense. With the rate of killings going on, people want to know about how to defend themselves, and that's another niche you can go into as well. Self-defense for kids, self-defense training, and self-defense classes, another one. Girl, protect yourself. I think I'm going to do that one. Because I've just heard about a girl that was killed in East London. I'm so sad, and she was walking home at night. So I think this is very, very topical. We need to teach our young children, we need to teach our youths how to defend themselves. Another one is on home improvement tips, DIY, the complete guide to DIY home renovation, budget home renovations as well. And another good niche is beauty and makeup. That's another one. Beauty tutorials will never go out of fashion. Women and men also will always want to look good. So that's another niche you can do your course on. You can also do one on meditation. Meditation is similar to the one I mentioned before about stress management. A lot of people now want to know how to cope with their stress, how to deal with panic attacks. So meditation is another good niche. Meditation is about 600,000 Google searches in a month. And other things that people can talk about is mindfulness meditation, benefits of meditation, and meditation for stress. So these transcendental meditation, although some people will not believe in it, but that's another one. Stop and breathe, 30 guided meditations for reducing stress no matter where you live. And the 3-minute meditator, how to get started meditation as little as 3 minutes per day. So these are some course ideas you can do your next online course about. So have you started doing your online course? Do you have any thoughts about for your online course? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you need any help, if you need any collaboration, please contact me on my email and I'll be happy to collaborate with you. And so thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again very shortly. Thank you. Bye.